Hi, to add event to calendar on your iPhone 13, as a first step, we will need to open this calendar app. Here, select month, year, date, something like that. For example, let's choose 22nd of November. And now we need to tap on this plus. And we have two options. We can either just leave the event, that is what we were looking for, or we can switch to the reminder and the interface will be changed. So let's go in the event and here we can name it. For example, let's name it as birthday. After that, we can set a reminder. We can leave it to run all day. Here choose start point, end point, or we can manually select start and end point. Here in the travel time, we have several options. Just choose which one suits you the best. And for the repeat, we can select every year. Now go in the calendar and here you have two options, home or work. I'm gonna leave home. This is the ability to add invitees, and after that you can also select alert. So we can choose, for example, 15 minutes before travel time. After that you can also add attachments if you want. Here leave some notes. Let's just use emojis. And after that, we can save the changes by tapping the add button. And that is how it will look. Let's just open the calendar for the whole month, and that is how it will look for the whole month. So just tap it, you can select it, and here you will be able to edit this event or delete immediately. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.